let's jump and play. We'll count numbers all the way. One little child is having fun, playing alone under the sun. Two happy kids in Sandyland, building castles hand in hand. Three kids skipping in a row, jumping fast and going slow. Four kids painting skies so blue, making rainbows red and true. Five little friends slide down with glee. Wee, they shout so happily. Six kids eating ice cream sweet, melting joy in summer heat. Seven kites fly in the breeze, kids laugh loud beneath the trees. Eight kids dancing, spinning fast, music fun that's made to last. Nine kids reading in the shade, story time that books have made. 10 kids holding balloons so bright, jumping, laughing, what a sight. We counted all from 1 to 10. Let's sing again and tell a friend.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. You're amazing, just like the stars.